What are solar collectors, one might ask? Well, a solar thermal collector is a device that extracts energy of the sun and converts it into more usable or storable form. The energy in sunlight is the form of electromagnetic radiation from infrared and ultraviolet waves. Solar collectors transform solar radiation into heat and transfer heat to a medium like water, solar fluid, or air. Then, solar heat can be used for heating water or backing up heating systems. Solar collectors can also transform the heat collected into electricity. Solar collectors fall into two general categories, non-concentrating and concentrating. In non-concentrating collectors, the collector area is also the absorber area. Concentrating solar collectors use shaped mirrors or lenses to provide higher temperatures than that of flat plate collectors. Flat plates are the most common type of solar collectors and are generally used to generate hot water. There are many flat plate collector designs, but generally all consist of a flat plate absorber, which intercepts and absorbs the solar energy, a transparent cover that allows solar energy to pass through but reduces the heat loss from the absorber, a heat transport fluid, and a heat insulated backing. These usually sell from $700 to $1,500. In an evacuated tube, the glass tube absorbs heat and transfers it to the passing fluid. These usually sell for around $80 a tube. This graph shows that evacuated tubes are better for higher temperatures. These are the temperature ranges for the collectors. A power tower is an example of a concentrated solar collector. They are usually large towers surrounded by small tracking mirrors called heliostats. These mirrors align themselves and focus sunlight on the receiver at the top of the tower. Collected heat is transferred to a power station below. We believe the most promising are the asphalt solar collectors. An asphalt solar collector is a non-concentrated and flat plate collector. Black roads tend to absorb the heat of the sun to the point where they radiate heat as quickly as they are absorbing it. The surface temperature of roads in direct sunshine can often reach 15 degrees Celsius higher than the ambient air temperature. Any asphalt solar collector gives a second function to asphalt that will need to be built in anyway. Given a 10,000 square meter office building, if we have 4,000 square meters of asphalt, we can say a few things about the power supply. The building will use 55% less fossil fuels, as well as producing 55% less CO2 than conventional gas-heated and air-conditioned office building.